snowstorm to lighten things up and stuff like that. Where you all from? What's up for everybody? Florida? Ohio? Tennessee? Anybody else? Washington? I got family in the state of Washington? Yeah, I got family in Deer Park. My first cousin's on a small ranch, about 300 something acres. We just went to visit 2-3 years ago. Really pretty country, man. Wow. It was funny because they tell my kids and I, my wife, we're gonna take you guys camping in a real forest. So we're like, all right. So we get there, we find this beautiful spot, make the campfire, get the marshmallows. All about 8 o'clock that night, my wife walked up to my cousin Walter and said, what are you doing? He's hanging the food in a tree. So as soon as my cousin said bears, my wife turned around, looked at me and said, I have to talk to you. She pulled me behind the tent. We're camping with bears. I was like, of course there's bears. Our kids, the bears. You know, she was scared. She got me nervous too, you know. And my other cousin, Janice, she saw how nervous my wife was, and she said, and she's a real tomboy, my cousin. She goes, come over here, honey. She opened up her truck door, pulled down the back seat, took out this long case, opened it up, most beautiful Winchester I ever saw in my life. And she told me it was illegal, but she's not going to let a bear come take us around on our vacation, you know. And my wife said, could you put the gun by the campfire? Yeah, that was funny. Bears? Then my wife at the campfire, don't tell me, there's snakes too. All my cousins, they didn't see a thing, they're all looking the other way. Okay, let's head out. Nowhere else in the world will you get to 10,023 feet on a road in just 39 miles. So it's quite a climb. I'm sorry to tell you people this, but I mentioned sugarcane. You know, we're kind of holding on. I'm sad to tell you this. Pineapple is gone. In the near future, Hawaii will not have any pineapple production whatsoever. And it's sad, boy. I grew up picking pineapple. I mean, you say Hawaii, everybody envisions a pineapple, you know, but it's looking like it. It's looking like it. And, well, times are changing, probably for you folks back home, too. And again, competition worldwide. Del Monte just left Hawaii a couple of years ago. Gold is on its way out. From what I've read, those two are going to Thailand, Mexico, and Philippines. One basic, simple reason. Anybody guess?
Labor.
You got it. Cheaper labor. Our industry here is a separate identity. We have about 4,000 acres. It's run by the Maui Land and Pine Corporation. Not looking good for us too. Well, to make a long story short, 6 years ago, a new CEO showed up, a fella named David Cole. 6 years ago, we had 14,000 acres of pineapple with 1,300 employees. After he took over, we're down to 4,000 acres with 200 employees in the fields. He sold the land for real estate, you know, satisfy the stockholders and stuff. But here's the fun part, and I'm sure you all heard it before. He just resigned 2 months ago with a severance package of $2.9 million, and that bugger bought 213 acres of land he used to have. What a guy, that's my guy, huh? Here's another thing, just last couple of days ago, the CEO who took over about 6 months ago, he just resigned. And the bit of good news is they think the new CEO will be a grandson of the founders of the Maui Land and Pine Corporation, the Cambridge family. So he might be more committed, you know, just to keep at least 4,000 acres. We'll see. Yeah, land is precious on an island, especially Hawaii. Location, location, location. You know what's saving us now? I'm sad to say it, but economy-wise, you know, everybody's in a recession, you know, everybody's broke, but it's saving Maui. And you honestly tell you that, because construction has frozen. You know what I mean? There's subdivisions, a new gated community, 800 luxury homes, and I do mean luxury homes. They're frozen. Nobody's buying. Construction is down, so it's kind of saving our growth right now. So, but the sad thing is we're in a recession. So.